Hey guys, happy Thursday. Kind of tight because I just filmed this and realized that wasn't recording. But anyway, I was not gonna vlog this week or at all this week because I just vlogged last week for my birthday vlog. But today is a special day. I'm getting my first ever tattoo today by my assistant director at my job. Her boyfriend and her own a tattoo and piercing shop, and I spoke to her boyfriend and I told him that I want a memorial piece done for my godbrother that passed away. I don't know if I ever spoke about him on my channel, but yes, my godbrother passed away in 2012 from an asthma attack. So I wanted to get a memorial piece for him. It's just gonna be his name, like a nice little rose, and the day that he was born, day that he passed. And I know that seems a little basic, but that's what I wanted. It was simple, it was cute, nothing too extravagant, but just enough to memorialize him. And even though he's always in my heart, but I just want a piece of him on me. And a lot of our family members and stuff already have tattoos for him, and I'm like the last one that hasn't gotten one. Not that that's the reason why I want one, I just wanted one for myself, but also it's part of that, like everybody has one, so we were doing it like as a family, so that's the reason why I want it also. And today's the day my tattoo virginity is getting taken. I have no tattoos. I've had plenty of piercings but no tattoos. I'm a little scared of needles, I'm a little nervous, but I feel like it should be all right because my assistant director and another one of my coworkers who's had tattoos done by him, they reassured me that he's very gentle. He's not very heavy-handed like some tattoo artists. They like to dig in your skin or whatever. He's not like that. So I don't know if in the next clip we're gonna be at the shop, but hopefully everything goes well. You guys will see some of the process, probably not all of it, but a little bit at the beginning and the end, and a little bit in the middle as well. So I'm excited. So yeah, talk to you guys in a few. Bye. Yeah, I'm gonna tag him on everything.
Well, when I put the Insta video, the capital piercing location definitely popped up. Yes,
Alright.
that's what I was looking for.
I'm sorry, no.
I'm good.
Long live album, right? We all gonna die one day. Let's live this life up, right? You like it?
Yeah, I do. I like it a lot.
Oh shit, I feel it. Wow, that rose.
Yo, it really looks good. Like I was saying, I love the font, like underneath.
Sorry if this shit is spraying on y'all.
That's good.
I'm sorry.
I thought I took it better than I would.
You did.
I thought I was gonna be bitching. I mean, no, the shade.
Yo, Ashley!
Oh
my
dear.
god, I'm trying to do a video, babe.